Hi, my name is Crypto Nerd, and in this video, I'll be going through the latest news regarding cryptocurrency and the bearish sentiment surrounding it. But before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. I'm hoping to hit 100 subscribers in the next couple of days. We're sitting at 81 at the moment. So let's go straight into it. We can see the current Bitcoin price is trading at 31,890 US dollars. The current fear to greed sentiment is sitting at extreme fear, around 10. We've seen a number of Bitcoin whales jumping ship as exchange inflows reach a 3-month high. We've seen a lot of selling pressure from big whales in the last couple of months. Um, this is down to the market sentiment largely. I think people are preparing themselves for a bearish sentiment. We saw the Bank of England announced that inflation in the UK is expected to reach 10% or more by the end of the year, and the US figures aren't looking good. And we saw in Turkey it's sitting at over 70%. There's also other bad news in the market. We've seen the US Treasury issue its first ever sanctions against a cryptocurrency mixer. Cryptocurrency mixers are used sometimes by money launderers to hide where the origins of their money's coming from. So they issued this against Blender.io. That were supposedly they were behind the Axie Infinity Hest. We saw Axie have a big drop in there. They had a hack, which led to them losing a lot of money. So they've issued sanctions there. As well as that, we can see in India that they're considering a 28% tax on Bitcoin and crypto, aligned with lotteries, casinos, racecourses, and betting, which makes me quite bearish. We know the Polygon team founders, they're from India, so this is not really good news, if I'm being totally honest. We've seen miners also selling, so that's also just something that to look out for. We can see the miners are beginning to sell, so maybe we're starting a long-term bearish market. The current price is sitting around 31 to 32,000. Let's see what happens. We've seen this, as I can tell you, you can see there's a cluster of people selling at the moment. Let me know your comments in the section below. I do think we're at the start of a bear market. It's funny, I've had these arguments with friends that used to message me when Bitcoin used to go up around $500 or something, saying that we're in a bullish market. I always thought that we would enter this bit bearish market. I don't think myself, personally, I don't think, my opinion, it's wise to invest more money. We saw what happened when the stocks kept dipping. People kept buying the dip and it kept dipping. So where do you draw the line, I guess? We're not millionaires, or at least I'm not anyway. I personally think it's better to sell and buy at a lower entry if you think it's the start of a bear market. That's my personal opinion. Obviously, it's not financial advice. Do your own research. But the news at the moment is not looking good. Let's pray that we see some respite. Tomorrow, Joe Biden's going to be talking on inflation. So we'll see. Tomorrow's going to be a big day for the US stock market. Also, the stock market's opened at a low as well this morning. I do think stocks are close to bottoming out. Let's have a look. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll be dropping more content in the coming days. Thank you.